Want to create adorable viral AI baby videos for free? In less than 10 minutes, I'll show you how to turn AI generated baby images into full animated videos using just ChatGPT and Hedra. No paid tools, no tech overwhelm, just fun, fast, step-by-step magic that anyone can do starting right now. And let's bring your first AI baby to life. These baby podcasts are blowing up on TikTok, on Instagram, and I bet you're wondering how to create this. Now, it actually is very simple, not complicated at all. So, one of the first things that you can do, whether it's on Instagram or TikTok, find a interview, a podcast, a scenario that has a lot of views and has a person in frame. So I've chosen Michelle Obama. She's a very known figure and her podcast is very popular. So all you have to do is then copy the link and then go to any TikTok downloader or Instagram downloader. I normally do it on my phone, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm doing it on the screen for you. Then you paste it in the TikTok downloader. I'm using Snaptic. I'll download it and then download video. Then it will go into my downloads. There you go. It goes into the downloads, yeah? So then what you are going to do is I am going to screenshot this. I use a Mac. Now, there's other ways of doing it. Some people have other tools, but I'm just going to use the normal screenshot Mac, and then I'm going to crop. Then I'm going to crop this image. So I'll save it. It saves right here, all right? And then I'm going to go back to this video. Then we're going to go over to ChatGPT. You have to be very smart when you do this. So when you upload the picture, do not mention the name of the person. I've done it before, and it will say, this goes against ChatGPT's policy. Turn this image into a baby. I'm going to keep it 9:16 ratio. So that is the image that it gave us. This cute little baby. Turn this image attached into a cute baby because I didn't want any issues or any reasons why it will reject the image. Yeah, so you download this. So before we head on over to Hedra, you can use any editing video platform, and very simply, all we're going to do is we're going to extract the audio. So I don't want it to talk for that long. So I literally just want it to be 17 seconds, and I am going to split it, delete that, and then extract the audio from that. And then all you have to do is when you go to export, tick off the video, have the audio. So all you have to do is head on over to Hedra. You can do this for free. I've paid, but for 300 credits that they give you a month, you can literally create this for free. So I just add the prompt, make the baby appear to be speaking cheerfully. I just asked ChatGPT to literally do that for me and did not have to think about it. Make sure the ratio is 9:16. The picture is there, the audio is there. Then you press generation. It will cost 103 for the 17 seconds. So technically speaking, if you were to do a 30-second clip, it will just be over 300 credits. So again, maybe you do 2 clips and then you will have to generate another email and then do another generation. So it's going to take a little while. It's not going to take too long. And then we are going to see the finished product.
But when I think of young people today, the standard for happiness is gone through the...
So there you go. It's really simple, right? So you can download it. Once it downloads, you can take it back to your video editing tool. I purposely put it on mute just so that I can go through it. For the purposes of this tutorial, it was just to show you how simple it is to create a baby video based on already made content for you. You can generate several of these videos a week, a month, and begin to make money passively online.
But when I think of young people today, the standard for happiness is like gone through the roof. I mean, you don't just go to college, but there are like 7 colleges you can go to, or it doesn't matter. Or, people, you look on House Hunters and everybody's looking for,
If you learned anything from this tutorial, like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell notification to never miss an upload.